Welcome aboard this beautiful 2005 Catalina 387, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The highly sought-after Catalina 387 features spacious and comfortable accommodations, a large and comfortable cockpit, uncluttered decks, excellent sailing characteristics, and a walk-through transom. She is easy to single-hand both under sail and while docking. This vessel has been very well maintained and has had many recent upgrades, including sails, rigging, and electronics. The sugar scoop stern and walk-through transom, complete with folding stainless steel ladder, are perfect for boarding the tender and allow easy access to the boat from the water and from the dock. The sizable cockpit features 9-foot-long seats and is safe and secure while at anchor or sailing. The cockpit includes a table with drop leaves and plenty of room for meals. Behind the helm is plenty of seating and the space feels secure. The Raymarine Electronics are mounted in both a nav pod and console and include a chart plotter, autopilot control, and multiple multi-function Raymarine instruments. The engine instruments are mounted below the sailing instruments and are easily viewed. This 387 is equipped with a beautiful wrapped Edson stainless steel wheel. Jib sheets lead back to Harken 48 2-speed winches that are in easy reach of the helm. There is excellent visibility in all directions from the cockpit. Control lines are led back to cabin top mounted Harken 32 2-speed winches on both port and starboard sides. With easy access from the cockpit, the 6 kilowatt low-hour Northern Lights generator is mounted on the port side. Moving forward, the side decks are wide and have great access from the cockpit, and it is easy to walk around the stays to move forward and move around the deck. The Catalina 387 offers in-mast furling that is safe and easy to operate in a wide range of conditions. The clear and uncluttered foredeck gives easy access to the Maxwell vertical anchor windlass and anchor chain locker, which are under a flush-fit deck hatch. The wide, easy-to-operate traveler adds to the ease of sail trim and sailing this vessel. The companionway is wide and open, and accessing below deck is safe and comfortable. Once below, you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior. The Salon features an L-shaped settee to port with a table in the center. There are 3 options for the main salon table, one small one for easier access to the settee and 2 larger ones stowed in the aft cabin when not in use. One of the large tables can be lowered to convert the settee into an additional large berth. 2 seats are to port with a dinette table in the center. The dinette can be lowered to convert to a traditional settee. To starboard is a navigation station with storage, power distribution panel, VHF radio, and fusion radio. There are many conveniently located grab handles throughout the boat. The efficient galley has solid surface countertop with fiddles and more than enough counter space to prepare meals. The microwave is mounted above the spacious refrigerator and freezer with easy access from the countertop or from the front door. There is a 3-burner stove with oven that is mounted on a gimbal. There is ample storage for food and utensils. The head is starboard to the companionway and has a large, separate walk-in shower with folding door, full vanity with solid surface counter and sink, and an electric Raymarine toilet. A second door provides private access to the head from the aft cabin. Moving forward is a forward cabin that has storage and cabinets on both sides and under the berth. The full beam master suite is aft with large hanging lockers and a spacious berth, and the private entrance to the head. The additional Salon tabletops are safely and conveniently mounted in the aft cabin. The Yanmar 3JH4E engine is easily accessed, and the engine and engine spaces are clean and have been well maintained. To book your appointment to view this Catalina 387, contact Little Yacht Sales.